Panki is a traditional Gujarati recipe which is prepared using banana leaves. Let me show you the secrets behind Panki, a dish that is crispy, soft and bursting with authentic taste. So stick around to see the unique twist that makes this unforgettable. In a bowl, combine rice flour and curd. Add water little by little to make a smooth batter. The batter may seem watery, but it's fine. Mix it until it resembles a pancake batter consistency. Cover and allow it to ferment for 4 to 5 hours. Meanwhile, prepare the banana leaves by cutting them into neat squares. Now whisk the fermented batter to make a smooth consistency. In the fermented batter, add turmeric, cumin seeds, hing, coriander leaves, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, salt and oil. Whisk all the ingredients well till it's well combined. Now in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of water and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and add this to the rice flour batter. Whisk all the ingredients well till it's well combined. Grease the banana leaves with oil. Pour 2 tablespoons of batter on the greased banana leaf. Cover it with another greased banana leaf. Cover it with another lid. This will help the steam to cook the batter. Cook both sides for 3 minutes or until light brown spots appear on banana leaf. Repeat with the remaining ingredients to make more pankis. Allow it to cool for 30 seconds. Peel off the upper layer of the banana leaf. Eat the pankis with green coriander and mint chutney. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.